How to log out of your RedNote account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log out from your RedNote account. To do so, first of all, you'll need to open your RedNote application on your mobile device, and once you reach to this page, here at the bottom right, you'll be able to locate the profile or the me icon. Simply tap on it and then you will reach to this page. Now in this page, you'll be able to locate the gear icon next to profile at the right side. Once you find it, tap on it. By doing so, you will be taken to the settings page. Now here in this page at the very bottom, you'll be able to locate logout option. Now you just simply need to tap on this logout option and then confirm it by tapping on logout once again. By doing so, you will need to wait for a few seconds and then you will see you have been successfully logged out from your RedNote account. Now in the future, if you'd like to log into your RedNote account, you will need to simply tap on this login button right here and then you will need to enter your credentials in order to log into your account. So by following these steps, you should be able to log out from your RedNote account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.